Hi! Now, when you're familiar with the various map views and details, we'll dive deeper into creating routes and using navigation features. To create a route, tap on the navigation button in the bottom right corner of the screen. You see the input where you need to enter your starting point. This can be your current location or exact address. Then, in the next search bar, type in the destination you want to go to or select it from the suggestions. Note that among the suggestions, you primarily have your labeled locations. After this, Google Maps will automatically generate a route for you. You can choose between different transportation options such as driving, walking, biking, or public transit. You can add stops along the way by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and selecting Add Stop and typing in an additional address. You can rearrange the order of stops by dragging them up or down in the list. You can also see alternative routes with destinations and estimated time. To choose another route Google selected for you by default, just tap on it. Once you've set your route, tap the Start button to begin your navigation. This feature provides real-time guidance to your destination. Before you start, ensure your phone's volume is turned up to use voice guidance. You can adjust the voice settings for different languages or voices in the app's settings. So, here's how it works. The main part of the screen displays your route, with a highlighted line showing the path to your destination. At the top, you'll see the next turn or action you need to take, along with the distance to that point. The navigator provides lane guidance to ensure you're in the correct lane for upcoming turns or exits. The app updates these instructions as you progress along your route. Google Maps will provide alerts about traffic congestion, road closures, or accidents along your route. It may also suggest alternative routes to avoid delays. If you deviate from the planned route, the navigator will automatically recalculate a new route to get you back on track, or generate a new route if it is more convenient. Let's take a look at the additional features offered on the screen. Tapping the search icon allows you to search for gas stations, restaurants, and other amenities without stopping navigation. Just select a category, and the app will show nearby options. Zooming the map out allows you to get a better view of your surroundings, or drag the map to see different parts of your route. The compass button aligns the map to match your current direction, ensuring that the map's orientation reflects the actual direction you are facing. If you have manually rotated or moved the map to look around, the compass button can be used to recenter the map to follow your current location and direction. When you reach your destination, Google Maps will alert you and offer an option to rate the navigation experience. If you need to end the navigation before reaching your destination, tap the Exit button. The navigator works equally for all types of movement, from walking to driving. With these tools at your fingertips, you're ready to create and customize routes for any journey, ensuring a smoother and more efficient travel experience.